So here we are told that a certain number pattern has a constant second difference of 4. We know that this pattern is going to be quadratic because of the keyword constant second difference, right? So this is a quadratic pattern. Okay, so what I know so far is that if I minus this and that term and that term and do the differences again, I'm gonna get 4 and 4 here. Okay, and then they say the sum of this the first two terms are equal. So I'm gonna say this is T1, which means this one will also be T1 because term 2 and T1 are equal, which means the difference here will be 0 because term 1 minus term 1 is 0. It's like if I have 5 here, I'm gonna have 5 there because they say they are equal. All right, and then they say the sum of the first three terms is 16. This one is the third term. So what we know is term 1 plus term 1 is term 2 term 1 plus term 3 is equals to 16 because they say the sum of the first three terms is 16. Ne? Awesome. So now with that information we know that this part here is 2a, right? So which means we are going to have 2a equals to 4. Then we can see that a equals to 2. Then we see that 3a plus b equals to 0. Then 3 times 2 plus b equals to 0. Then we can see that our b is going to be minus 6. Right? Then we are told that the sum of the first three terms is 16. Okay. Remember, Tn of a quadratic pattern is Tn equals to a n squared plus b n plus c. But we know the value of a and b, so we can substitute them. So it's going to be that minus that plus c, right? And then we are told that term 1, we can substitute then see what is going to be, right? Plus c, which is 2 minus 6, which is minus 4 plus c. So we have T1 as minus 4 plus c. Then let's check what is term 3. Going to be 2, here there's a square, 3 squared minus 6, 3 plus c. Let's see what T3 is going to be. It's going to be 2, 3 squared minus 6 times 3. That gives us 0, right? So T3 will just be equals to c. Okay, because this part here is 0. So now I'm going to substitute this into that formula of, therefore, 2T1 plus T3 is equals to 16. We have 2 negative 4 plus c, and then remember T1 is negative 4 plus c, and then this one is going to be c equals to 16. Then when I have foiling here, so it's minus 8 plus 2c plus c is 16. Then we have 3c is equals to 16 plus 8. 3c equals to 24. Then c equals to 8. Then what was the question asking? Let's go back. Determine the general term of the sequence. Okay, we are sorted. So we have t. The general term will be Tn equals to we have 2n squared minus 6n plus 8. And that's finito. Thank you.